Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new here, make sure to like and subscribe. If you're not new here, then welcome back. And I'm not gonna lie, I still don't know what I'm gonna be doing today, so let's see what the day takes us to, because I even forgot that I was supposed to upload this Sunday. So I'm recording last minute. As Sunday currently, so I'm recording last minute so I can edit it today and upload it today. So I don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but let's see what the day takes us. So yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, guys, I still don't know what to do so far, but I was thinking of going to AutoZone and buy some paint for this, cause it's faded out. Sorry. And do this one, the one on the side, and maybe the one on the back. And if I do it, I end up having enough, I'll try to do the lip, cause let me focus it. You see how rough it's looking, so let's see what we get into for real. Let's see. Alright guys, first off I'm finna wash the car. I don't know if I'm gonna do the side skirts in this video, cause I live in Florida. It looks like it's gonna rain. I don't know. If it doesn't rain, I'm finna do it, but so far I'm just gonna wash the car real quick even though it's gonna rain. And then on the interior I got some LED lights, some RGB lights, sorry. I gotta put double-sided tape and fix them. That's probably gonna be for today's video after I do the RGBs and all that, cause since it's gonna rain there's not too much that I can do. And like I said, I forgot that I had to upload this today, and I did not even record nothing on the weekend, nothing. So let's see, guys. Alright, so far you guys are going to be in the tripod. Let's get started.
See, I want to be weightless in the silence of the night sky. I want to free fall into nothing at all. I'm taking the moment, starting all over. I want to be free and live my own life in a new galaxy. The memories fade, it's easing my mind, and I can finally breathe when I'm closing my eyes. I never realized what I just could do, but now I know I'm better off without you.
Alright, let's get to the phone part, to the phone.
I wanna free fall into nothing. Taking the moment, starting all over. I wanna be free and live my own life in a new galaxy.
But yeah, guys, I don't know about you guys, but every time I wash my car, let me focus it real quick. I let it sit with the soap for a few seconds, so like all the dirt or whatever start coming out. I don't know if you guys do it like that. If not, let me know. And if I'm doing it wrong, let me know as well. Well, hey, remember, after this, I'll rinse it out, put soap again, and then after that, I'll wash it. Then once I wash it, I'll dry it up real quick, and then I'll start doing the RGBs in the interior. So stay tuned. Alright, I'm completely done with washing the car. I'm gonna show it to you guys. It was something quick because I live here in Florida, so if you live here, you already know that the pollen is bad right now. I literally just washed it for nothing because I was saying like 1 or 2 hours still gonna be the same. And yeah, but look, it's just, let me focus on it. It's just looking just a little bit better. Now I'm finna focus on doing the RGB lights, and at the same time I'm finna be talking to you guys on what's my future with the my future plans with the car, what I'm planning on doing, and yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, so far literally, alright guys, I'm already inside of the car now. Finna start working on the RGB lights. I gotta do a better cable management with them, like tucking them in and all that. But yeah, I'm finna do that. And if you shit, I don't know if I'm gonna first start saying what's my future plans with the car, or I'll just do the RGBs real quick and then I'll try to go for a quick drive and then talk about what the future plans are for me with the car. I know a lot of people have been probably waiting because my car's been stuck for a while now, and I got my reasons for it. And now, all I can say is now, it's time. It's time to get this car how I want it to be. And, spoiler alert, I'm planning on buying a 240 SX, so I'm on the lookout for one of them. I don't mind, it can be without a motor or anything, I just want the 240. Everything else I'll take care of. But yeah guys, I don't know if I'm gonna record the RGBs, but I'll probably just record after I'm done doing everything. I'll show you guys a little bit of how it looks right now. So let me turn the camera around and focus it. And I'm sorry for the interior, I haven't vacuumed it yet, but I don't know if you guys see this. As for the RGBs, it's whole hanging out. I got one RGB light over there because the glue that they had is fucking, I'm sorry for the cursing, is garbage. But now I got double-sided 3M tape, so let me get all this fixed out. Then I'll show you guys how it came out, and then I'll probably go for a little drive and talk about my future plans with the car. Sorry, my English is not here today apparently. So yeah, let's get it. Alright guys, I literally just finished installing the RGBs correctly. I'm finna turn the car on real quick so you guys can see it. I'm finna turn the air on too because it's freaking hot out here. And after I'll show you guys so y'all can see how they are and everything in the cable management. It's looking better. It's nothing perfect. And then I'm finna see if I'll go around the block or whatever, just talking about future plans with the car. Or I'm finna think either I'll drive or I'll put a tripod in front of the car. I'll lift the hood up so y'all can see so far what I got, what I don't, what I'm trying to do. I'm going more towards that side instead of driving today because it's probably gonna rain. So yeah guys, let's get it, and please make sure to subscribe, like the video, share it with your friends, family, everything. We are 101 subscribers. I know that for a lot of people that's not a lot or whatever, but for me, that's a goal right there. That's a milestone for me. Cause I remember when I started doing YouTube, for me, I always said it, and I even had it written down on a board that I used to have. My goal was to hit 100 subscribers before my birthday. My birthday is in September. We did that. Now my goal is to at least try to hit the 200 subscribers by my birthday. So let's get it. I'm gonna start trying to keep doing content and content and content. Next video is probably gonna be better than this one. I know it's not gonna be the best video because, like I said, I even forgot that I was supposed to upload today. I haven't recorded nothing. I'm recording today, editing it today, and uploading it today. Alright? So yeah guys, let's get into it, and let me turn the AC on because I'm freaking sweating. So let's get it guys. Let's see. Whew. I love it. Let me get this down to temperature because it is freaking hot. And I'm sorry if you guys hear the AC, but it's hot, alright? Finna turn the let me get the remote for the RGBs. I already know it. Let me turn them on. Okay, and let's put, I'll say red because it's probably the one that's gonna show up the most on this since it's daytime. But if you guys see, let me focus it. I don't know if you guys are able to see it completely, but it's just daytime. You know what? Let's do something, guys. Hold on. You know what? Let's do something, guys. This video is probably gonna go up. I'll see, because I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I'll probably record it on my phone and show it to you guys. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm probably gonna do how I was saying, to put the tripod in front of the car, lift the hood up, and talk about my future plans with the car so far, and what I've done and what I want to do with it. So let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, I was gonna do the video either driving around or standing in front of the car, but I got back home because I had to go to the store real quick, and my sister's working on her car, so she's on the driveway. So I'm gonna sit here, talk to you guys my future plans for the car. I'm sorry. So far the only thing that I have actually done to the car, it's only been, I only have the air intake filter on, just the actual red filter. I don't got the cold air intake anything. I'm finna do that. That's one of the plans that I got so far. I'm planning on buying that on C1 Motorsport, so you already know. I'm planning on I'm still debating of getting coilovers or lowering springs, so because if I get coilovers, they're a little bit on the expensive side right now for me, but if I get lowering springs, it's like $200-300, and I'm planning on maybe getting that pretty soon. But I know that I want to do the cold air intake from C1 Motorsport, the lowering springs. Then I'm planning on, I want to get more power for the car, because at first I wasn't able to either I wasn't able to buy none of that, having the money, just because at first this was a car that my dad gave to me, and after he gave it to me, after he gave it to me, because me being impatient, he wanted to completely fix the car completely, but me kind of like being impatient and all that, I didn't know he was gonna give me this car. So he ended up bringing it to me for my birthday, but I started having problems with it. I had to change the alternator, I had to change the starter not too long ago. I got brand new battery on the car, and those things, they weren't that expensive, and I had to do like lower control arm, upper control arm, everything, all of that. I had to put a brand new. So now that I'm done with all that, now I'm concentrating more on doing like the C1 Motorsport cold air intake. I want to get the carbon one, because I freaking love carbon fiber. I'm planning of getting the carbon fiber steering wheel that people get for the Infinities and cars, everything. I'm planning of getting that as well. And let me look something up, because I forgot the name of the thing that I was gonna say, but let me look it up real quick. Alright, I'm back. I got it. So it's called the Plenum Spacer, I think it is. It's from C1 Motorsport as well. It's not that expensive. I'll put up a picture on here. And after I get that, I'm thinking about it, but I don't know yet. I'm trying, and I know got my own project car not too long ago, but I'm thinking of doing a swap so I can make it manual instead of automatic and whatever you got. I want to make it manual. Plus, if I do that, y'all gonna see the vision that I got for the car is gonna start coming up. It's gonna start coming together little by little. I'm debating on wrapping or painting the car. I'm trying to get the intake, like I said, the plenum spacer. I'm finna do a whole, like a complete exhaust system. It's gonna sound nice, I already know, because what I got in mind, trust me, it's gonna sound nice. Then, by the way, these are seat covers, so I'm trying to get the whole interior blacked out. So yeah, guys, I know it's gonna be a short video, but trust me, next time it's gonna be a hella better video. And please, if you live in Tampa, or Florida, it doesn't matter what part of Tampa. You can live in Tampa, Clearwater, St. Pete, anywhere, Brandon, Wesley Chapel, any of those places. Let me know where's Cars and Coffees, car meets, anything, because I want to start going to more of them, like more frequently now that I got my car. So yeah, guys, and please go to Puesto Pati's channel and comment on the last video and tell him to start posting more videos, because I've been trying everything that I can to have him make videos for his channel, but he's just too lazy to work on his car lately. I don't know. Yeah, I already know. Oh, and before this video ends, I'm gonna show you guys a brand new design that I got for my shirts. And since we're already 100 subscribers, once we get to like 150 or 200, I'll throw them to sell. But I'm gonna show you guys a preview. I'll put a picture on here, sorry, of the shirts that I'm thinking of doing, the stickers, and something else that's gonna be a surprise. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to share the video with your families and friends, and let me know what you guys want to be seeing me, what you guys want to see me doing next on the channel. Like, let me know if you guys like the idea of me looking for a 240. So yeah, guys, appreciate it. We're 100 subscribers. I never thought that I was gonna be able to reach 100 subscribers, and I would never even thought of having the support that I'm having in the videos, like the likes, the views, the comments. I'm enjoying this, and trust me, we already hit 100. My next biggest goal is gonna be 500. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.